Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes something very sweet-sounding, like a beautiful voice or music. Mellifluous. It may look a bit complex, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is mellifluous. Let's break it down. First, we have meh, which sounds like the me in metal or melon. Next is lif, which rhymes with stiff and is stressed. Then comes lu, which sounds like the lu in blue. Finally, us sounds just like the us in bus. Now, let's put it all together. Mellifluous. Try repeating after me. Mellifluous. Now a little faster. Mellifluous. And at full speed, mellifluous. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Mellifluous refers to a sound that is sweet, smooth, and pleasant to hear, often used to describe a voice or melody. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce mellifluous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.